Hey YouTube, JP Dillon. So the 5500, now with a working multiplex, is reassembled. Got the dial pointer changed. The function lights, auxiliary AM, FM, phono 1, 2, auxiliary, blah blah blah. That all functions. All the lamps here are lit. I cleaned up the face as best as could, scraped away at all this corrosion, and using a fine wire brush attachment on the Dremel and a polish, I cleaned it up. Cleaned up the knobs a little bit. There's still definitely some evidence of pitting. Gotta find a selector knob, shouldn't be too hard. But the dead signal meter I'm not messing with. The power indicator is buried in the chassis. It really is buried. I don't really want to dig through and undo all the wiring bundles to get to it. You can see that it's on. Got all the cages and shields back on it. And so now we're going to stick it in the case that we fixed up, such as it is, and see what it looks like as a finished product. So let's do that. So there it is, back in its case. Looks pretty good. You can definitely tell where I did the repairs on the slats here. From a distance it looks alright, but you can tell where I used that wood filler in there and stained it. It's flat, it's just that the coloring absorption of the stain is different. But I got the vents reinstalled. Let's move the can of deox. For a beater it looks pretty nice. It really does. Wood top looks good. From the front it looks good. And it's done, man. It's freaking done.
The state recently curious. What does her hija Serena and
escolarizado con Morena. Plus hashtag.
and pay no
or Portland, or visit ATT.
hermano ya
Offers. The Honda 4th of
7% for your test.
Places than ever before. Fortunately.
Este es el reporte de tráfico y garitas en
So much junk on the radio down here.
Limited data on their network. Video streams at 480p. Small fraction of customers using over 50 gigs per month may have reduced speeds. New line. New favorite flight? Purchase.
Just commercials are talk.
a Lego ship.
It's a car man.
Pilot Grand Reserve.
I did it by Luke.
The only thing that plays music is the college jazz station around here. Sounds good though. I also noticed another problem that popped up, and that is it's in force mute mode for some reason. That's new. But I don't really care. I'm not going to deal with it. Just leave the muting off. It's a nice one I can beat on. I mean, everything else about it works.
Answers millennials. Part of this is marketing. They'll give you a news story. They'll give you one pit.
Oh, I have to pull the little bar antenna out. That makes it work. There's KFI.
Oh, va a recibir como.
There we go, there's KNX. Pretty good AM radio on it. We're in a cinder block building.
Hey, Prager 776.
Fine.
American was forced in the last 24.
Awesome sauce. Yeah, looks pretty good so far. Let's hook something else up to it.
Everybody look what's going down. Stop. Hey, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going down. Tell me that you love me, yeah.
Some part of the cloud on my shoulder.
Alright, that's about enough of that. So, I'm happy with how this turned out. I'll probably stick this one in the living room for now and beat on it and enjoy it. It's definitely been a journey. And I kind of like the way how it turned out, even though it's still got some quirks. It works for me. So, I hope you enjoyed the series, and thanks for watching the videos, and more stuff to come later.